this video, we are looking at a monthly CPR scan for swing trading, right? It can be 3 to 4 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so we are a monthly CPR. The stock has to be below all the moving averages, so it's a bearish setup. Okay, so now we just did a scan and then we are seeing this many stocks. Okay, so I'm sorting by put call ratio. Okay, so high put call ratio TD, TNDAM, TNDM. Okay, I'll go to charts. So we are on a monthly CPR. We have a VWAP, monthly VWAP, and then we can see RSI. So I'm just going to take the one of the RSI out. Okay, I don't want this one. Okay, RSI. The monthly time frame. Okay, first is TNM. Yes, what the stock name is TNDM. TNDM. Okay, you can see bearish here, RSI bearish, trend is bearish, all the time frames are bearish. Okay, so first stock for us is TNDM. Okay, second stock is BAX. Same setup here, bearish, all the time frames are bearish. Okay, so CPR is turning down, so this is a good one too for a bearish setup, BAX. Okay. Okay, next one, scan, look for price IRBT bill. IRBT okay, you can see stock is turning down, the constant turning down. Okay, so same thing, 3 CPR down, turning down, everything down. Okay, bill. Okay, you can see the CPR is turning down, everything is down. Okay, okay, CRWD. Okay, so this setup is not the right one. Okay, VXX. Okay, VXX is also turning down. Okay, the other trend is green, but all the other things are green. So VXX is a good one also. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. We do provide the scanner for free. If you want the scanner, let me know. Okay, thank you.